Hi guys, my name is Chavi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be showing you how I conceal my dark circles. Now I was doing it all wrong. I accept and I apologize. I was using my orange lipstick as my color corrector and putting my Swiss Beauty wala concealer over it. Now, what I think is our concealer is a bit too light for me. Now we can use light concealers, light shade concealers to brighten up our eyes. But I think that was a bit too light for me. But to be very honest, I did not mind it at all. In my photos, in my videos, it did not look odd at all, but in person it did. Yesterday I had to go to a wedding and I was like, let me experiment with my concealer today. Okay, so I used this Inside Cosmetics palette and you have seen me using this a lot. You can see I've used a lot and it was just for rupees 160. Like, it is so inexpensive. And you guys, I did my concealer and I realized that I was doing it all wrong. So yeah, today I'm going to do my concealer using this palette. If you're interested, without further ado, let's get started. Right, so let me just remove this. I had to wear my lenses, but I'm too lazy to do that. But anyways, I'll use this phone as my mirror so you can see it clearly as well. मैं बिल्कुल आगे आकर आपको दिखाऊंगी. So this is the palette और इधर मैं सारे concerns लिख दूंगी जिसके लिए आप कौन सा color use कर सकते हो. This is orange, you can use for dark circles, and then you have yellow, green, purple, this brownish and this dark brown color over here. So you can see the palette clearly. I will use this orange color corrector first under my eyes to cancel out all the darkness. So yeah. Also इधर मैं वैसे ही करूँगी सेम जैसे मैं पहले करती थी Swiss Beauty वाले कंसीलर से. तो you can see the difference clearly. This one does take थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम जो पहले मैं करती थी उससे, but I think it is worth it because last night my makeup was looking so flawless and like it was looking so natural. I loved it so much. So I'm using just a little bit. Don't go overboard, okay? Just a little bit goes a long way. So I'm using it over my eyelids as well because you can see there is a lot of hyperpigmentation over there and under my eyes. Also, I don't like to conceal any of my acne marks. Like, I don't mind it at all. But I think under eyes are very important to conceal. उससे आपका face बिल्कुल ही अच्छे से brighten up दिखता है. Alright, so I'm done putting this orange color corrector. You can see this is how it is looking. Now moving, also I'm using this brush. I got this one from Amazon. 100% you can use a better one. I don't have any other, so I'm using this only. Now moving on, I've used this on my eyes right now, and then I will use this shade right here. Now when I said ki Swiss Beauty wala concealer I think is a very light shade for me, I think this is the one for me. Like, can you see? It matches. I love this palette so much. It is so inexpensive and very creamy, very creamy. Can you see? And first I'll just blend the edges, okay? मैं अंदर ज़्यादा नहीं कर रही हूँ, सिर्फ edges I'm blending. And under you'll just dab. Now you can see the dark circles have been concealed. I'll put this over my eyelid as well because we're going to put eyeshadow. जैसे normally अगर आप कहीं जा रहे हो तो you will put eyeshadow. Alright? कैमरा पे ये थोड़ा सा डार्क लग रहा है, इन पर्सन ये नहीं लगता, बट देन टू ये थोड़ा सा इफ डार्क भी है. I'll put another concealer as well. अभी इसके ऊपर कल मैंने एक और कंसीलर लगाया था, just a little bit to brighten up my eyes. I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer itself, जो मैं कह रही हूँ कि थोड़ा सा light है मेरे लिए. So it is in the shade 03. I'll just put a little bit over here and here because I want my under eyes to look थोड़ा सा brightened up, and just dab थोड़ा. We'll just dab it and use my this ring finger. Look upwards and blend it. There you go. Can you see the difference? I'll do this eye उस तरीके से जो मैं पहले करती थी and you will see a clear difference. Using this Color Bar lipstick in the shade 008 Rustic. Putting just a little bit आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि ये बुरा लगता है, फोटोज और वीडियोज में मेरे को अभी भी सही लगता है, बट इन पर्सन इट लुक्स अ लिटिल बिट वियर्ड. Also guys, I'm not a makeup artist or professional makeup artist, so I am learning while I'm doing all of this. तो एकदम मेरे को ऐसे रोस्ट मत कर देना कि पहले तुमने बताया था ये सही है, अभी गलत लग रहा है तुमको ये और वो. आई एम लर्निंग एंड लेटिंग यू गाइज नो. एंड दिस इज हाउ आई यूज टू डू माई आईज. Now I know ये थोड़ा सा वार्म लग रहा है ज़्यादा ही, so I will put a layer of foundation over this जिससे बिल्कुल even out हो जाए. This will look also really nice, but I think this is looking more natural. I will put some foundation, do my face, and I will be right back. Alright, so I'm done putting some foundation and some blush. मैंने और ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं करा है, and you can clearly see a difference. यहाँ पे एक तो थोड़ा थोड़ा ग्रे दिख रहा है, थोड़े से पैचेस, एंड यू कैन सी द फाइन लाइंस. नाउ फाइन लाइंस होना इज नॉर्मल, बट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज यहाँ पे थोड़ा थोड़ा क्रीज होना स्टार्ट हो गया है ऑलरेडी. कैन यू सी दिस? Yes, and इधर you can see how seamless and beautiful it is looking. I know थोड़ा सा yellowish दिख रहा है ये, but it is only on camera. In person it is looking very natural and very nice, and I think this is the right way. You can clearly see how beautiful and seamless it is looking over here. And इधर थोड़ा सा patchy हो रहा है, थोड़ा सा lines यहाँ पे crease पड़नी शुरू हो गई हैं already. So this is how I think I'm going to do my concealer आगे से, and this palette is such a savior. I cannot even stress on this enough. Also please try this out and let me know if it worked for you. It has worked for me. I'm not saying ki it will work for you, but do try it out and let me know. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really hope that this helped you. I will meet you in my next video very soon. Until then, goodbye.